Kept the fire underneath my lungs, smiling while the damage slowly gone. Every promise burned into my veins. Now your memory tastes like smoke and rain. You touch my heart like gasoline, turn my silence into a screaming scene. I try to cool the heat inside, but pain kept boiling every night.